Hello everyone, my name is Saide. Welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to make a plate. Make a plate is one of the most attractive subjects in textile design, and I'm pretty sure you really like that. If you like, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much and have a good one.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. In this session, I would like to show you how to create a weaved plates design using Adobe Photoshop, which is a common task for textile designers, and it's very simple. First of all, select the rectangular marquee tool and draw multiple horizontal rectangular with various thickness and colors. In fact, I'm trying to draw a weft using this rectangular in this active layer. I continue by drawing more rectangular in various thickness and colors, which are constructing the horizontal strips of my plates. For coloring these strips, I'm using paint bucket tool and complete the weft layer. As I taught in first session, now we can make a pattern from the strips. So click on rectangular marquee tool again and select the edge of the first strip to edge of the last one. Then go to the edit and select define pattern and hit OK. Now go to the select from menu bar and deselect the design. Then from the select menu, select all and go to the edit and select fill. In the fill window, I select pattern option for the contents. Then in option, click on last one. And now weft layer pops up in the page. Now we need a warp layer for our plates. So I make a new layer. Here we have an option of copying this layer and rotating it and use it as a warp layer. Or we can make a new layer and design different vertical rectangulars. I myself prefer the second option, and therefore I made a new warp layer. So I performed the same process as I explained above, except that this time I'm drawing multiple vertical strips with different colorways. I'm doing the process same as the previous process that I explained to you. Now I have both warp and weft layer completed. If you like, you can change the name of each layer by double click on the name of each layer to anything that you prefer by. Now we need to make a weave for our plate design. So I'm going to open the new page by click on file and new option, and I change the size of the page to 4 pixel and resolution to 300. This is a very small page and you can zoom it to make it bigger for ease of the work. So go to the click on pencil tool and make sure the size of the pencil is 1 pixel, the opacity is 100%, and the color should be 100% black. And make a weave on the page as I'm showing. Then select all and then go to the select and edit, and from the menu and select the define pattern. I name it as a pattern tree, and now I'm deselected design and going back to the main page. Now I'm making a new layer and I'm going to deselect and select all, and then going back to the edit and selecting fill. In fill window from custom pattern, I'm selecting the last one, which is weave pattern. Now I'm selecting the magic band and deselect the page and selecting the magic band. And click on black weaves, black colors. Then turn off the eye of the weave layer and going back to the layer 1, click the layer 1 and then hitting on the delete key on the keyboard to delete the black weaves from this layer. And finally deselecting the image. This completes my weave plate design, as you can see. And if I would like to change the colorways of my design, it's very easy. Now I'm going to change the colorways. And as you remember, in color reduction or make a color swatch session, we could change the colors from color table. So with the selecting image, mode, and index color and clicking on flatten image, my layer will be combined. As you can see here, we have 9 colors. Again, I'm going from main menu to image mode and color table from this window, and I'm changing colors one by one. I pick the colors from my swatch palette, and you can pick your colors based on your colorways or any colors that you prefer for your design. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy, like it and subscribe the channel to watch new videos.